This is the COSLUS water pick, and real quick, I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box here. So real quick, I have already opened this and I've used the product, and I have to say it works amazingly well. Now, one quick note, you do end up getting four different heads here. You have the water pick end, and then you also have one that's specifically designed from what the manual right here says for people with braces. But you get two normal water picks, and this is one I've been using, and then a tongue one, which is great. You also end up getting this right here, which is the charging cable. So it has this end right here, and then let me go ahead and pull the device out real quick. Again, I've already been using the device, so I've removed a lot of packaging that came in the box here. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this real quick. So I'm going to put that right there. Turn that. I just turned it on right there, and then here's where the charging cable goes, and it can only go in one way. There's a little slot. There's not a slot right there. Boom, and then I take this, I attach it, there we go, and I can open this up, fill it with water, and go ahead and start using it. Mine came charged, but that's everything that comes in this box here. I think this thing is fantastic. I've been using it, and I highly recommend it.